Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Agricultural Marketing Scheme. What is the key objective of the scheme? To support farmers in post-harvest handling of produce. What is the type of assistance? Service. Providing agricultural post-harvest tools. What is the pattern of assistance? 50% assistance to farmers for purchase of post-harvest equipments, tools costing below 10,000 rupees. 75% assistance to farmers for purchase of post-harvest equipments, tools costing 10,000 rupees and above. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers and entrepreneurs. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest Horticulture Development Officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on a first-come, first-served basis. Whom to contact? District Horticulture Officer, Horticulture Development Officer.